We're building a freestanding display wall. This is for a wedding reception, but really you can use it for any event where you need a display wall. We started with 2 flat walls and I built these supports. And this is a view from the back where we attach the walls together. Okay, back on the front side, we just started adding easy peel vinyl planks and just cutting and sticking onto the wall as we went along. To cut the vinyl planks, I just use a blade and a T-square onto a mat. Once all the planks were added, it's time to add the ledges, and I marked the center so I knew where the studs would be, and then used pocket hole screws to attach the ledges to the studs at equal intervals.